Module 1, Lesson 3, Setting your diopter. In this lesson you'll discover the diopter in your camera, what it is and how to use it. Now if your camera doesn't have a viewfinder you can skip this lesson. Have you ever looked through the camera's viewfinder and only been able to see a blurry image even after focusing? If you are always seeing a blurred image, the diopter is not correctly set for your eyes. I get this every time I pick up my wife's camera. She's nearsighted and I'm farsighted. The diopter is a small lens in your camera's viewfinder. It allows you to match the focus of your viewfinder to your eye. If you are using a camera that's had the diopter adjusted so it doesn't match your vision, you will see a blurry image in the viewfinder. You will need to adjust the diopter to correct this so you can see a sharp image. If you normally wear glasses or contact lenses, you can adjust your diopter to suit. If you prefer wearing your glasses while you're using the camera, adjust the diopter with your glasses on. When your diopter is not set to your eye properly, the viewfinder image will not be sharp, but the photos you take can still be nice and sharp. It's just more than a bit frustrating when you're looking at a blurry viewfinder all the time. The diopter adjustment control is a wheel or slider close to the viewfinder. Most diopter controls are labelled just with a plus and a minus symbol. Module 1, Photography Course Challenge number 3. The aim of this challenge is to adjust your camera so you can see sharp images when you're looking through your viewfinder. If you are already seeing sharp images, please don't adjust your diopter. Set your camera on a tripod or somewhere stable facing a scene with good contrast. Autofocus your lens and check to see if the image looks sharp. Check the data visible in your viewfinder. Do these both look sharp? If not, adjust your diopter until they are. Looking carefully at your viewfinder's data, it can be easier to know when the diopter has been adjusted properly. Experiment with your camera. Looking through the viewfinder, adjust your diopter in one direction and then the other. Take a photo each time you do and change your diopter to compare what you see in the viewfinder with the photo you make. Are they both sharp? This is an important little thing to know about your camera, as it can be very frustrating looking through a blurry viewfinder all the time. Take some time to take some more photographs, practice holding your camera well and thinking about what it's doing while you're taking your pictures.